Let's go to question number 6. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at the speed of 240 km in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 and 2 by 3. 1 and 2 by 3 hours. It must travel at the speed of. So clearly what I am given, an aeroplane covers a certain distance at the speed of 240 km per hour. So initial speed what I am given 240 km per hour in 5 hours. Time also given 5 hours. Am I clear? To travel the same distance, first one you have to find the distance. Distance equal to formula speed into time. So that means 240 into 5. What is the total? 1200 kilometers. 1200 kilometers. And finally distance obtained in kilometers. Because speed given in kilometer per hour, time already given in hours. Finally we will get distance in kilometers. 1200 kilometers. To cover the question what I am asking, to cover the same distance. To cover the same distance in 1 and 2 by 3 hours, it must travel the speed of. So finally what I am asking, speed asking. If it is covered distance of 1200 kilometers in how much time? 1 and 2 by 3 hours. Nothing but 5 by 3 hours. But question what I am asking, so it must travel the speed. So speed equal to formula distance by time. So distance 1200 already got. Time 5 by 3, nothing but 5 by 3 can be written into 3. So 5 2s are 4s are 0. So finally what you are getting? So 24 3s are 72 into 0 kilometer per hour. So 720, option 4 is right answer. So the same distance, nothing but 1200 kilometers covered in 1 and 2 by 3 hours, nothing but how much speed maintained? 720 kilometer per hour maintained. That is the required answer. Am I clear? Have a look at question number 7. A truck covers a distance of 550 meters in 1 minute. So truck covers 550 meters in 1 minute. Okay. This is a truck distance 550 meters covered in 1 minute time. Whereas a bus covers a distance 33 kilometers in 45 minutes. The ratio of their speed, especially normally speed equal to formula distance by time. Distance by time. Am I clear? So clearly here two objects given. First one is truck. Second one bus. Am I clear? So clearly we need to notice that. So distance actually in the first part distance given in meters. Truck covered 550 meters. 550 meters in how much time? 1 minute. 1 minute nothing but 60 seconds. So what I am taking speed here? Meter per second. Meter per second. Am I clear? So next one bus. So bus also converted into meter per second. But distance given how many kilometers? 33 kilometers into 1000 meters. Because truck information already given in meters. Bus also converted into meters. 33,000 meters. In how much time? 45 seconds. Nothing but 45 into 60 seconds. Am I clear? So it is also converted into meter per second. Am I clear? So clearly first one 60 cancel. Next 0 cancel. 5 11s are 5 3s are 3 1s are 3 15s are 45. Again so according to cancellation, once I am explaining this, 60 cancel. Again 0 cancel. 11 5s are 11 3s are. Again 3 1s are 3 15s are 45. Next 5 20s are 5 3s are 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5 4s are. Am I clear? So 1 3 into 1 3 according to cross multiple. 3 into 1 3, 1 into 4 4. What is the ratio? 3:4. 3:4, option A is right answer. Am I clear? So here units very important. So truck speed what I am taking meter per second. So bus also converted into meter per second. That is also very important observation. Okay, so you have to coincide the units. So truck speed what I am taking meter per second. Bus also convert into meter per second by using the units. Let's go to question number 8. A boy goes to his school from his house at the speed of 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour. Am I clear? Next, and return a speed 2 km per hour. If he takes 5 hours in this going in and coming, so total time on how much given? 5 hours in going as well as coming. The distance between his house and the school is. So in that question what I am given first? So boy is goes to his school from his house to school. You don't know distance. Let me take in x kilometers, because option also given in kilometers. So what I am taking, distance between out and school, x kilometers. So firstly, a boy goes to his school from his house as a speed of 3 km per hour. If he maintain 3 km per hour, 3 km per hour, so forward speed, and also return. So this is going time. What I am giving coming time 5. Okay, going time 3 hours and coming time 2 km per hour. Sorry, this is a speed. Okay, so going time 3 km per hour, coming time 2 km per hour. House to school maintain 3 km per hour, return school to house 2 km per hour. But total time how much given? Total time equal to 5 hours. This is the total time. Am I clear? But question what I am asking, what is the distance between school and house and school? So firstly, clearly we have to observe a time given. Normally time equal to formula distance by speed. Am I clear? So first one what I am taken, house to school, how much distance taken? X kilometers. Speed 3 km, x kilometers. Okay na? So what I am taken, house to school, school to house, distance never changed. It's a constant, x kilometer. So distance between house to school, what I am taken, x kilometers. In the forward section 3 km per hour. Okay na? X by 3 is going time. Okay na? X is a distance, 3 is a speed. So going time x by 3, coming time same x by 2, because in coming speed how much given? 2 km per hour. But total time how much given? Total time equal to 5 hours. We have to make a single equation, x by 3 plus x by 2 equal to 5. So x is a distance, this is going speed. So same distance x in the coming speed 2 km. Total time x, we will added these two values equal to 5 hours given. According to LCM, 6 is LCM, 2x plus 3x, 5x. Okay, according to cross 5. So 5x equal to 30, therefore x equals to 6. So 6 km, x stands for what I am taken. So distance between house and school 6 kilometers. Option 3 is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 9. A man on tour travels first 160 km 64 km per hour and the next 160 km at 80 km per hour. The average speed of the first 320 kilometers of the tour is. So total distance how much given? 320. Total 320 kilometers given the tour. Okay na? Clearly we need to notice first 160 kilometers, speed how much given? 64 km per hour. First 160 km covers at the speed of 64 km per hour. Am I clear? Next 160 kilometers covered at the speed of 80 km per hour. But question what I am asking, average speed. So average speed equal to formula total distance by total time. Am I clear? Average speed equal to formula total distance by total time. Am I clear? So total distance you know that 320 kilometers. Total distance how much given? 160, 320 kilometers. By total time, you don't know total time. But again time equal to formula distance by speed. Am I clear? So first 160 kilometers covered at the speed of how much kilometer per hour? 64 km per hour. This is a time, first time. Second time also 160 by 80. This is called total time. That's why I am taken plus in the middle. Total time you don't know. Time equal to, again you can apply time equal to formula distance by speed. So first 160 km covers at the rate of 64 km per hour. Next 160 km covers at the rate of 80 km. This is called total time. Am I clear? So clearly 0 0 cancel here, 8 1s 8 2s. So here 4 40s 4 okay 8 table, according to 8 table, 8 20s 160, 8 8s again 4 5s 4 2s. Finally what I am getting, 320 by 5 by 2 plus 2, 5 by 2 plus 2. So that means nothing but 320 by 5 by 2 plus 2, nothing but total 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 can be written 2 by 9. So nothing but finally what I am getting, 640 by 9. So 640 by 9 can be written, actually 640 nothing but 9 7s are 63, remainder 1 0, nothing but 1s, again 1, nothing but 71.1. 11. Finally, what you are getting 71.11 kilometer per hour. Option 3 is right answer. Am I clear? So 640 by 9 nothing but 9 7 ja 63, remainder 1 0, 1 ja again 1 remainder, point taken 0, again you will get remainder 1 in each remainder place after divided by 9. Okay. So let's go to question number 10. An athlete runs 200 meters race in 24 seconds. What is his speed? But speed given kilometer per hour. So normally speed equal to formula distance by time. Actually distance how much given? 200 meters. Time up how much given? 24 seconds. But finally what I am getting? 450 is a 4 6 again 225 is a 2 3 is a. Finally what I am getting? 25 by 3 meter per second. This is the required answer, but what I am given, speed given in kilometer per hour. So and also we will convert into, we will going to convert meter per second, convert into kilometer per hour. How we are going to convert in kilometer per hour? So 1 meter per second equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 5 1 ja 5 5 ja, 3 1 ja 3 6 ja. So what I finally 5 6 ja 30 kilometer per hour. That is a speed in kilometer per hour. Option 4 is right answer. Am I clear? So rest of the question I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.